What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Hostinger coupon code channel. So you're here because you want to buy Hostinger hosting and you've been hunting for a coupon code. Smart move, you may have already found a 10% off code floating around the internet. But honestly, that's leaving money on the table. Why grab 10% when a massive 20% discount is right at your fingertips? Let's get into it and make sure you're getting the absolute best deal possible. Here's the thing, I've set up a special link that automatically drops a 20% discount directly at your checkout. No copying and pasting any codes required. This link is designed to work across all countries, automatically adjusting to your local currency and language. All you have to do is click the link and you will be taken straight to Hostinger's official website ready to save big. From there, head to the navbar and click on Products and Services. You'll see their full range of offerings including cloud hosting, web hosting, the website builder, and business email solutions. For today's walkthrough, I'm jumping into Hostinger's VPS hosting section. They've got a great lineup of plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8, and I'm picking the KVM2 plan to show you how this works. The moment you add it to your cart, boom, the 20% discount kicks in automatically at checkout. It's that smooth and that simple. Quick pro tip before you rush off: use a brand new email address that's never been registered with Hostinger before to make sure everything goes through perfectly. If this saved you some cash today, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss out on deals like this. Catch you in the next video.